people, we are on holiday this week and we're going to show you some sights of Bournemouth and what we do living in our lovely little caravan. We've just had breakfast. Daddy made us some sausage sandwiches. You right, Dad?
Yeah, I had to wake up tonight because my zip wasn't pulled up. Is all the stuff made? This all the stuff is made from Aldi.
So yesterday we made our way here. It was meant to take us about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. It actually took us several hours to get here because the traffic was so bad. But nevertheless, we made it here, and then we had issues with the dates. I booked the wrong dates for the campsite. First time I'd ever done it, but they managed to fit us in, and I was very lucky because it's half term. But after a lot of grovelling, we got in and we set up, so that's why I didn't vlog yesterday, because it was a bit chaotic. But we're here now, and I can't wait to show you the sights. It's absolutely amazing here. That's amazing. He's allowed out there. Ollie, you're wet.
Come.
Ollie, you little big old. You gonna go? Did you go for a swim? Is that freezing? We need to get buckets and spades. Oh! Callum, we need to get buckets and spades.
Can I get one? Alright. Can I get one? If you need help, just hold me. Yeah, hold that.
So we are searching for a part on the awning. We emptied the bag out, and we've lost a part. So with our next door neighbours that we're next to have got a metal detector. So we're just trying to look now for the nut that we've lost with a metal detector. It's not every day you meet somebody with a metal detector.
Is it jewellery?
No.
Oh. Hang on, there's metal there. Come on.
If it can find gold, I'd be digging.
Yeah.
if it was a loose bolt, you would have found it.
Yeah, it would just be. Yeah, but then it can't.
It'll be a 10 peck. That's what it'll be. Go on. Matthew, you need to locate it. You just keep going over it and not picking it up.
When it beeps, you've got
See,
to
it's
stop.
picking up there as well. That's a big bit of metal, that is. What's it saying on there? It is. If it's saying gold, mate.
Hang on.
Yeah, but Matthew, it's saying it's 8 inches deep.
There, look.
Bronze or gold?
Yeah, it's there. We're digging.
Yeah, but bronze.
Found an Iron Age fort.
We're digging. How deep?
Near
8
Stonehenge,
inches.
so maybe we're bringing that luck with us. We're going to have to get...
Mind your hands a second.
We need a
It's all ring.
spade.
That'll be picking the truck up.
What,
No,
bronze?
What, downwards? I doubt it.
Mum, mind your hands a second, because you've
Okay.
got the ring on.
What was that high pitch one?
Silver. Apparently it's £50.
£50 of silver? What,
No,
in
it
weight?
says like, it's in like money. It says £50 there, and it put an arrow under it next to silver.
I think that's lying to you. It's getting
Yeah.
you excited.
Bronze or gold.
So we've just found something that won't stop beeping, but it's 8 inches deep. I've lined it with spoons. And the next door neighbour's just found an extendable trail. Trail?
Trowel. Shovel.
Shovel.
Probably shouldn't be doing this. You're just gonna have to hold it like this.
Spoons.
There you go. You just hold it
I'm
like
not
that.
doing it. At least if you're a kid, we can tell you what. Before I get booted off.
No, you can do that.
Get the
It could be. What if it's a
Find the
20
spot.
pence
Oh,
piece?
how are you supposed to do with that, for God's sake? It's all
No,
floppy.
hold this like that.
Oh, okay. Go on then. Go and do your duty.
You do it. I'm not doing anything. Let's just double check.
Yeah, but now you're going to pick up spoons.
There, 50 quid. There.
What if it's further than 8 inches?
Yes, it is. That's what it says.
How long's it? Don't ask your father that she's not getting on his arm.
You're not recording right. Thank God it's not kids' channel.
Peanuts. This is a peanut.
Don't be silly.
So you've been learning that girls have red bits,
Puberty.
puberty, and what do men have?
Peanut.
Peanuts.
No. This is a bit.
Wait.
Bits. None.
No.
Bits. None.
So what? Who taught you that
Ugly Dad.
boys have peanuts?
Miss Cookwood, my teacher.
Peanuts. Is there something that we don't know about?
You sure that's the right word she was saying?
Have you learnt about babies and where they come from?
Where did I come from, Chloe?
Not gummies.
Yeah, but how do they get there?
I haven't learned that just yet.
Thank goodness.
I know. From the No, I know. When we get puberty, we get babies.
Yes, sort of right, but Daddy.
A man and a woman love each other very, very much.
Let's leave it to the teachers.
They decide to have a baby. Okay? And they have a big hug. And they have a wrestling match. Oh, God.
Oh God.
That's not how.
No, a
Why?
stalk comes down.
Oh, alright. Plants the seed in Mummy's tummy. So they're going to
That
sleep
big.
well now, thinking a stalk's going to come in their room.
You okay?
Stranger danger.
I think what Miss Cook Redding is saying, instead of peanuts, it's peanuts.
Penis. Penis.
Penis. It's not peanuts.
Peanut. It's a peanut. Peanut butter cheese. Peanut butter cheese.
You got a penis.
I know they make peanut butter. Peanut.
You need to stop calling your bits nun. It's not a nun. She's got a nun.
You've got a doodah.
Yes, Dad, thank you. You've got a doodah. She's got a nun. Doodah nun. Doodah nun. And that's today's lesson on the birds and the bees. Life without a manual. Today we are in Bournemouth and I just wanted to show you our caravan and where we sleep and everything that goes in it. So as you can see, this is the kitchen area. We have a full working cooker. We've got a sink, a fridge, and where we have our utensils. And above we've got, I'll try and do walk forward a little bit. we've got all of our plates, cups, bowls and everything we need. So it's a pretty good sized kitchen. Keep that locked. If you can see behind you, we've got where me and Andrew sleep. This is a king size bed, and it's really comfortable. So the slats pull out in the middle, and then all the cushions go in place. And we have our big king size sleeping bag that goes on top. So it's really comfortable. Plus we have our 24-inch TV, which is amazing of a night time, especially when the kids are up this end, which I'll show you now. We have a full cupboard, which all of our taps goes in. We have a bathroom, toilet and shower facilities. It's more like a bit of a wet room, but it's really convenient if they haven't got a toilet facilities wherever we go. Through here we have our 3 bunk beds. We usually put all of our sleeping, mine and Andrew's sleeping bag at the top, but Callum's there and Chloe's at the bottom. But we have got facilities for 3 people to sleep if needed. This also comes into a double bed. We don't use this, but we just use this for the kids to do their colouring and everything. And we have more storage area above. We also have the most important thing in the entire caravan, and that is my Nespresso machine. I cannot go anywhere without it. And of course our perfect mugs. So this is our caravan. It is so comfortable to be in. We also have an awning that joins onto it, which the kids are in right now. And we have our full wardrobe out that we keep in the corner. And where we eat and drink and chill out, and it's shaded, so it's amazing. So this is our caravan. We usually try and get away in it a few times a year, but it's so comfortable to be in, and it's got plenty of storage. So just wanted to show you that. We're going to try and do a nighttime routine and a morning routine. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can keep up to date with any notifications that come through for our future videos. See you later. Bye.